Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Make.com to automate marketing using AI, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Make.com website. Click on the sign up button located on the home page. Fill in your email address in the registration form. Create a strong password that meets the site's requirements. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation message from Make.com. Open the email and click on Log into your newly created account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Take a moment to explore the interface and familiarize yourself with the features. Click on the Templates tab to discover pre-built automation solutions. Search for marketing-related templates to kickstart your projects. Select a template that aligns with your marketing goals. Click on the template to view its details and functionalities. Customize the template as necessary by adding your specific marketing tools. Connect your desired applications such as email marketing platforms or social media accounts. Configure the automation settings based on your marketing needs. Test the automation workflow to ensure everything functions as expected. Once satisfied with the configuration, save your changes. Activate your automation by clicking the Enable button. Monitor the performance of your automations through the dashboard. Make adjustments over time to optimize your marketing strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.